Hello everyone, I received this big package today from FedEx. It's a Bde road bike that I'm excited to assemble and bike around, see the beautiful trails in Minnesota. So I just figured I don't have all the hardware to go ahead and assemble the entire bike. There are certain instructions written on the box on the tools that are required for me to go ahead and plug this thing together. So I now have all the tools, so let's just get this thing put together. Assembling this bike was easy, starting off with the handlebar, then moving on to the seats, and then to the front tires. Alright, I'm now all set to take it out for a quick ride after setting it up with all the accessories as well. So I've got the lights, phone holder, the bottle holder, and in fact a tiny mini tail light as well. Alright, see you guys. It's a beautiful day to bike today, and out of 1,300 miles of state trails in Minnesota, I decided to head out to Lake Calhoun. This lake has 3.2 miles of bike trail with stunning view. It's also popular for canoeing, kayaking, and windsurfing. After biking for almost 10 miles, it's now time for me to relax and watch the beautiful sunset. Energized by the view and wind breeze, it's now time for me to head back home. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.